morning to all. I'm Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So here we are discuss about the SNS Roadmap. See, let me go into the basic. See, every great journey start with confusion, and this is how our story begins. So once there was a student and teachers who faced many problems. Things were not clear. There was frustrations, pressures, and struggle. Everyone wanted to do something great, but they didn't know where to start. This is the stage of chaos and challenge. See, in this time of confusion, a small idea appeared. What we idea? We can change if we think differently. At first, everything follows the common man's way. That way, in a normal method, old ideas and simple goals, but yeah, and so on. But soon they understood that change needs creativity. See how creativity will come, how to begin. So there are lot of confusions. So in this way, when they learned about design thinking, that will be the route will be open for the design thinking. It taught them to solve problems by understanding people's needs. They began to ask questions like, what do people feel? What do they need? How can we help? This was the first step towards true growth. And after that, they built a strong base called framework and culture. So that in our SNS institution that they created the 3P culture, that the purpose, process and people. They learned that a clear purpose gives direction. A good process gives under, and people make everything is possible. People make everything is possible. Next came to the 3C framework. See, 3C framework. That attitude, logic, and technique. They learned the success is not just about knowledge, but also about the right thinking and action. They following the 3P, 5 pillars, learned, upskill, innovate, and network. Every day they learned something new, improved their skills, shared ideas, and helped each other grow. See, they also care about health and happiness through Spine, which focus on health, hobbies, and sports. They joined clubs, played games, and stay active. And then after building these strong foundations, they moved a growth and innovation. They used the innovation 7 plus 7 models to create new ideas, projects. Through GenAI enablement, they started using artificial intelligence in teaching, learning, and research. Soon, they became certified talents in fields like IT, business, engineering, and health. Each student was not confident and ready to take on real world challenges. Then came the final stage, excellence and creation. See, excellence and creation. They set SMART OKR goals. It means the clear, measurable targets to stay focused. They celebrated small wins and kept moving forward towards excellence. See, in this journey, see the biggest dream was the build 1,000 AI startups in 10 years, and also that it could be believed that with teamwork, creativity, and right mindset, they could achieve it. Finally, they learned an important truth with design thinking, giving logical direction, and AI helping us grow our dreams of thousand startups in possible. From chaos to clarity, from fear to confidence, from learning to creation. This is the journey of SNS. See, first of all, in this SNS roadmap, see that everything was a great journey, chance to challenge. So, chance to challenge, that means that the something they're frustrated and something how to start to do something, so that they are on that time they have a common man will doing the same thing, but in SNS will be a clear route, they are given to the clear route, so that this is the called as design thinking. So in this design thinking framework will be the framework, that means the 3P culture, that process, people, purpose, process, and people. That will be the direction, and a good process gives order, and people makes everything possible. That helps to the 3C frameworks. That 3P frameworks will attitude, logic, and techniques. In that way, that the five pillar activity will be the five pillars in SNS. The five pillars will be every day they learned something new, improved their skills, shared ideas, help each other grow. For example, if they put the anything in our institution LinkedIn post, if the project will be exposed on LinkedIn post, they something the new people will see the projects. Suddenly they thought, see how to do that in possible, how they are doing. So SNS students something they are learning new, how it is possible. That possible only helps on 3C framework and five pillars. So in this five pillars will be help to learn, upskill, innovate, and networks. That is the important thing. And also that happiness through spine. See the spine, the so much areas are there, including we need to health, hobbies, and sports. See main concept in this spine, in these three things, they improve a lot, and lot. So in this growth and innovation, they used that 7 plus 7 models, and GenAI enabled to the artificial intelligence in teaching. In this certified talents like IT, business, engineering, and health. So in this SMART OKR goals, it is a measurable, that will be a improves our smart goals to students. Their celebrated small wins too and kept moving forward towards excellence. And then the big dreams was to build 1,000 AI startups. So in our 10 years, definitely SNS will achieve that 1,000 AI startups. It will be help within our design thinking framework. So in this choice to clarity, from fear to confidence, from learning to creation. This is the journey of SNS. Thank you.